My name is Dr. Foster Malmed. I am a 35-year chiropractor, 5 of which were in a New York hospital. I'm on the ASEA Medical Professionals Board, and one of the most common questions we're asked is, will ASEA help my blank? Fill in the blank with whatever medical condition you've ever suffered from or have heard of. The answer is, when you have any sort of health challenge, it's involved with cells that are not functioning properly. Every health challenge is from cells that don't function properly. When we look at why it is humans get ill, it's typically free radicals causing oxidation, which is human rusting, and that becomes inflammation, which becomes degeneration, and then some sort of named health challenge. All of those can be improved by having more volume and a better balance of redox signaling molecules in your system, and that's exactly what ASEA Redox is. This is not some saltwater product. This is 72 hours of very proprietary electrochemistry, which makes exactly what every cell in your body makes to keep you young and healthy. You just don't have enough. Drink it so that your cells can have the fuel that they need to utilize the proper nutrition that you're going to put in your body, so that your cells can actually now regenerate instead of degenerate, so that you can be on a better path towards health.